should have been already online at 8 because between the change of 7 to 8 in the morning, you can see our house being changed. I like this lamp. It's so worthless that it's funny. I just need 2 screws to put it on the wall properly. Yeah, 3 minutes in advance, okay. I did play yesterday, right? Or did I forgot? No. Yesterday I paid off the debt. Well, it doesn't look that much bigger. Oh, interesting. A way to pay without even having the money on you. In older games, you had to have the money on you directly. Interesting to know. Let's see, what is this? Oh, nice. Wait, what do I do when... huh? Pressing A? C? What do I do? Plus? No, that's not. A and B? I know that in New Horizons you just press A, but what do you do here? Come on, give me another one. Fine, and be like it is. Interestingly enough, you cannot really see the red in my design. Well, if you go very close, you can see the red, but it mostly looks like the Austrian flag. I need more letters. For the first expansion! Holy shit! Oh, TV. Wait, I can't use that credit card thingy here? Wait, I can just sell this? What the hell? Okay. Just pressing 1? Sadly, I don't have an SD card. But anyway, what? How? Or is it just there without the ability to give you something, like it is in New Horizons, where you can get different items by pressing A. Go away. Ooh. Gimme, 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 gimme. Scheiße. Scheiße, scheiße, scheiße. Please tell me it's still there. Fuck. You see those very rarely. And I managed to miss it. For once, I think they are like 10,000. Why is there nothing else buried in the ground? Like, I don't know, a fossil? Like normal? But on the other hand, they're so rare to get. It would have been so nice to get that for the museum, because then I would not have to worry about that. Wait, you are new. I'm putting pretty much all of my money in there. Well, consequently, I will most likely, after the summer break, not continue playing like this. Most likely. Because of school and so on. So... by doing that, I ensure that when we get back here in a year, latest point, it won't definitely then happen again. That will have been converted into a lot of money. Because there is a certain percentage that you get back every now and again. Because of credits and so on. I have no idea who is doing those credits, but someone else. Definitely you are getting money. Oh, no, that's just another emerald bug. only enough to be worth 200, I think. Don't remember exactly because it wasn't that much in I'm angry now. And a little too common to be actually worth a lot. Unless I got a very lucky seed for this game, but I really don't think that it's the case. Something that just came to my mind would be a very, very terrifying run to do in Twilight Princess. You saw that, if you watched my video there, that Animal Crossing Wild, not Wild? Understood, yes. That Twilight Princess on the GameCube and Twilight Princess on the Wii were exactly mirrors. So, something that I think would be a very terrifying one to do is one where both of those games are combined. You're probably thinking, but they're the same game. Well, yes. But what I mean is, every time you enter a loading zone that makes you move between two different rooms, it changes if you're in GameCube or Wii version of the game. Doesn't matter how often or where, it always does. That would be very terrifying, simply for the fact that it's mirrors. Because it would fry your brain unless you know both versions in and out as if it was your actual home. So, yeah, if anyone is going to do that or has done it before, please let me know. And this is something you want to get rid of. But the thing is, I don't think you can get rid of it in the trash. So, either you dig it into the ground somewhere on the map, or you trick Tom Nook into buying it. Because if you just sell it, so he will say, "No, are you stupid?" Basically. But if you sell it to him together with something else, then he will buy it. Yeah. Okay, today is Monday. And I thought maybe yeah, it would have been the beginning of the day. Split into 3,000 and then end this video. And then I'm just going to end this. And then yeah, I'm then going to start doing what I said I would start. In the video where I show you what I bought for $28.50. And soon for $33.99 I'm going to buy myself something else. But that's another 2 weeks. They can't go away soon enough. It's just saying Paper Mario, and but this is 1,000 feet a year though. So I don't know. This was only the first game played on this because I got it on that very same day I bought the Wii for. This I got for 25. No, just was it 25 or was it 20? I don't know. Anyway, I had 50 from my mother to especially look for a Wii, which I found it was originally 130, but luckily, wait a second. So it was complete with one Wii remote. This one, not original, yes, but it works. A nunchuck, which doesn't work for some reason. And 10 games in total. Those being Just Dance 1 to 4 and Just Dance 2014 and 2016. I have no idea who the hell plays so much Just Dance, but you do you, pre-owner. Anyway, then it also had Mario Kart Wii, Zumba Fit, Animal Crossing, the one that we just played, and Monster High. And that for 130 as the basis to trade this. Arguing would have been possible. Luckily, when I came there the second time, the Just Dance games were all already bought by someone. I have no idea who, probably a collector. So it was only Mario Kart, Summer Fit, Animal Crossing, Monster High. And only those 4 games together with the Wii was then only 50 instead of the 130, meaning 80 was taken for the other 6. And I myself had 20 with me, and for 25 I could have gotten Mario Kart Double Dash. So how do I get it? I sold the Mario Kart Wii, which didn't have the original case anymore, it only had the disc, to the friend of my sister who lost his disc but still had the original case, as if it was made for this. He gave me... No, wait. I had 10 with me and 2 5, and he gave me 20 for the game. And I took the 20 together with one of the 5s and bought myself Mario Kart Double Dash. And I'm not going to explain further because I'm pretty sure I already did that in the past. And I'm probably annoying someone.